Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. Look, I've even got my Wildcat Wednesday shirt on. We're talking about self-direction and how ultimately you are the one that's going to guide you and how you're going to do that with help from people around you, like your teachers and your parents. Before we dive into that discussion, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You guys can have a seat. So we're going to dive into this thing of self-direction. If you've been at Achieve for a while, we've also talked about the virtue self-discipline in the past. This goes right along with self-direction. It's all about you telling yourself what to do, you setting goals. We're diving a little deeper this year, and we're even talking about things like you learning how to study better, you learning how you learn best. We've talked a lot about those things in the past, and we just keep going deeper and deeper into these topics. I threw out a little thing yesterday, and I said, you are the only one who can reach your goal. Like, ultimately, you are the only one who can make you reach your goal. That's an interesting thought that I wanted to dive into a little bit more today. You know, you're going to have a PLP this week. You're going to set a goal. You're going to get help from teachers, help from parents. Sometimes your parents give you incentives like, hey, if you can get your everything turned green in Summit, then I'll take you out to ice cream. Or your teachers give you your class or you prizes like we've been doing with the PFA challenges. Sometimes you even have consequences in life. Like your parents are like, sorry, I'm taking your cell phone if you don't have all your work turned in. But ultimately, your parents can't do the work. They can't reach your goal. I mean, they could do your work. You wouldn't learn anything. You wouldn't be able to pass the content assessments, right, if you go home and your parents do a bunch of studying. So I want to talk about this idea. You are the only one who can really accomplish your goals. All right? Your big, giant goals in life, your someday I wanna. Other people could do your someday I wanna, but for you to do it, you're the only one. So I just want you to have a conversation about that in class today. Just think about that topic. I'm going to put it up on the screen. What do you think? Do you have questions about this? Do you agree with what I'm saying? Do you disagree with what I'm saying? What are things you've done to try and reach your goals? There's another little bonus question on there too, which is, do you have to do it alone? So I said that you are the only one that can really accomplish your goal or reach your goal, but do you have to get there all by yourself? I don't know. Interesting topic. Have a discussion with your class. Have a great day, Achieve. Here is that question. You can leave it up on the board for a few minutes, and I will see you guys later.